natural is your food? If you have been to your local supermarket before, you would know that a fair amount of vegetables, grains, fruit always look delicious and ripe. But have you ever thought about how it's grown to make it look so good? Today we will be covering the commonly asked question, how natural is your food that you are eating in your daily lives?
Scientists have developed a technique to change the DNA code of our foods for the sole purpose of making a profit. This technique is often referred to as genetic engineering. Many genetic modifications are developed as biological pest control. Biological pest control is the use of organisms to battle pests and weeds. Others are used to make the food larger or to look more delicious. It all circles around the fact that big companies want to sell these products and make money, but do they know how their profits could potentially be harmful to consumers?
Scientists who are for genetically modification of foods claim that they are completely safe and healthy for the human body. However, there are studies on these foods that contradict the statement. For example, a study known as the Health Effects Roundup Tolerant Genetically Modified Maize was conducted over a period of 2 years. It focused on rats and they developed tumors. The tumors most likely associated with the GMOs. However, no one truly knows how the genetically modification of foods can help or hurt humans.
Not only can GMOs possibly affect humans physically, it can hurt them financially. Bigger companies who create these domesticated foods get priority over local farmers. This leaves local farmers unable to get money for their families. It is unfair that there are big companies whose profits are putting other people out of business. The genetic modification of foods needs to be examined more closely to make sure that today's society is safe. What do you think we can do to slow down the takeover of GMOs?